Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I want to presentation about my portfolio. This is uh, my new portfolio because there is update for the maybe my experience or my projects and others. Okay, first in here I use Framer for making portfolio. If you know about Framer, yeah, this is a platform for making portfolio, making website or others. And then I use some template about for make this portfolio. Okay, in here can you see? Hello, this is my just open my portfolio. If you wanna see my portfolio, you can search sitenova.framer.website. This is my new portfolio. Okay, and then uh, you can scroll. This is there is my project about book project, just a book project and tools. Okay, firstly, we're gonna go to about know me well. I'm a network engineer who is interested in learning new things, whatever they may be. And this is just a summary for my if you wanna know about me. And then uh, there is my CV in here. You can click and then go to some file about my CV. This is my CV. And there is my CV. If I wanna do what is it? If is that how to say ngelamar? Apply. Okay, this is my CV. If I wanna do apply some project in a company maybe, and then okay, and then scroll again. Okay, in here there is my experience about when I was training in SMK 1 Central Cikarang. This is when I was 10th grade, and in here this is the uh, about my teaching and in the trainer at SMK 1 Central Cikarang. I teaching network material such as network fundamental, IP subnetting, C class, and then uh, I teach about OSI layer, DHCP, firewall, wireless, and routing. And and this opportunity, I have more experience as network trainer. Okay, and then my second experience, uh, I trainer again at SMK IT Smart Solo. In here, when I was 10 grades 2, okay, and in here I teach about Cisco. And I teach about CCNP, but the basic material in CCNP I teach by bridging material about OSPF and AGRP, just two material, and the in this teaching adds to my experience, and I also feel happy because I can share the my knowledge have I have with other. And then and third experience, I trained to at SMA 1 Central Cikarang, and in here when I was 11th grade, I joined my friend for trainer at SMA 1 Central Cikarang in and I teach by presenting basic material about Cisco because that is SMA not SMK for I teach in there, and then the I and I make a Microtik and Cisco book. This is the target for uh, 10th grade and 11th grade. I make a book in 10th grade. I make two book in first semester. That is MTCNA book and MTCRR book because in first semester in when I was 10th grade, we learn about MTCNA and MTCRA. And in second semester, uh, I make a book about Cisco, but just just CCNA material. Because in my second semester when I was 10th grade, I learned about Cisco, but just a basic Cisco that is CCNA. And then in 11th grade, when I was 11th grade, I make a book too about Cisco, but that is the advantage the material about CCNP. Okay, and then there is explaining about my book. I wrote mastering MPCNA and mastering MPCRA on Microtik, Network Associate, and Routing Engineer. And I wrote the book from beginner to expert covering Cisco Network Associate. And then go to project. Okay. Okay, in here there is example for my book. Okay, that is book MTCNA when I make when I was 10th grade in first semester, and then MTCRA 2, and then CCNA, but I what is it? Uh, belum sih. I haven't uploading CCNP book because my file there is lost or gone, and yeah, maybe later I wanna upload my CCNP book in here. Okay, and then if you click empty channel book, and later showing the detail about this book. Okay, this is category book project, and I make this book 2 months, and the page there is 200 to 21 page, and then this is just summary for the book, and then there are 11 contents of the exploring MPCNA book. That is there is Microtik introduction, network basic, access Microtik, firewalls, wireless, QoS, DHCP, NIRP, web proxy, and others until tunnel. And if you wanna get the book, you can just click download and then go to my book. Okay, yeah, this is okay. And then other project there is MTCRA, yeah, same like MTCRA book, but that is the advantage material about Microtik because there is content about routing introduction, static routing, dynamic routing, VLAN, and tunnel. And this book have 126 page. Okay, and then if you can see, you can just click download tool, same like MTCNA, and then go to CCNA book. This is the same like MikroTik, but different vendor about networking. In the book, there is 10 contents. That is Cisco introduction, network basic configuration, switching in Cisco, and network service, routing using Cisco vendor, and then bridge, QoS, routing tunnel. Okay, you can, if you wanna see my book, you can just click same like MTCNA and MTCRA book, and then go to the tools. There is tools when I using MikroTik vendor or Cisco vendor when I learn. Okay, that is there is Winbox for when I learn about MikroTik, and then Figma for make this portfolio, and then Notion for my schedule about if I wanna do some project, and then Cisco Packet Tracer, that is software for I learn about Cisco, and then VirtualBox for Cisco or others, and EVNG. Okay, and then go to certificate. I have a certificate MTCNA and MTCRA when I get this certificate when I was 10th grade. Okay, and then in the third certificate I have network fundamental from Aguna course. This is just network fundamental, and then the last is CCNA certificate. When I get this certificate when I was 10th grade too, but in second semester. Okay, okay, and the last that is my contact. If you wanna ask something, you can contact me. Okay, maybe just it for presentation about my portfolio. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.